You are not going to believe how cheap and easy these Father's Day gifts are. So I'm going to show you some super cheap, easy, and fast Father's Day gifts that you can get all at the Dollar Tree or dollar store. So let's go. Dad, if you're here, I know you watch my videos, exit off. Get off this video. Go away. You're not allowed here. Get. Hit the like button, but get. If you're new here, my name is Ashley. I like to do crafts and DIYs, but I do a little bit of everything. So if you're interested in that kind of content, go ahead and subscribe so you can see every time I post a new video. And let's get into these last minute Father's Day gifts because we're running out of time, guys. First, I'm going to show you like the simplest, the easiest. I was at the Dollar Tree and they had these super cute picture frames. They had this one that said Super Dad, and my dad personally loves Superman, so I thought this was the perfect thing for him. But this would be good for any dad. You can even get more plain frames if you want to make them a picture to go in their office. But all I did was just open up this frame, print out a picture in a 4x6, and put it inside the picture frame so he can display it at his house or in his office. You could put pictures of the grandkids, anything, and you can even print your pictures at home. That's what I did. I just printed mine on my regular printer, but if not, you could totally have it sent to CVS or Walmart or any other picture printing place. While I was at the Dollar Tree shopping around for something for Father's Day, I found this whole tech section where they had little LED microphones and like mouses for computers, LED light up keyboards, all the cool things if your dad is a gamer. They also had these little light up strips that go inside your vehicles where you can light up the inside of your vehicles, cup holders, just all kinds of cool light up gadgets for vehicles and for computers and for gamers. They pretty much had a little bit of everything. They had speakers, they had headphones, they had all kinds of cool tech stuff. Who doesn't love tech stuff anymore? And the light up stuff was actually very, very cool. I also found these cute little LED tire valve lights, which I also thought was super cool. If you know a guy who is super into his car, you can get the inside lights, you can get the tire valves. That is just a super cool way to customize it. That's always a cool way to go. Now, if you have a father that you need to buy a gift for that's super into sports, the Dollar Tree also had in their plus section these little sports inspired pillows. The pillow has logos and mascots on it, as do matching blankets. They have some for the NBA and they had the NFL. I think these were $5 each. I can't exactly remember, but still a great deal for a good Father's Day gift. Dollar Tree always has like a super good variety of coffee mugs. The one I went to this day did not, but they did have a few. I found some letter ones and some different ones with sayings. If you have a coffee drinker dad like I do, let me show you a cool way to gift this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this coffee mug. I got this one at the Dollar General just because I really thought the quote looked like something my dad would love. But the Dollar Tree, as I showed you, has different kinds of mugs. Take their favorite candy, open up the package, pour it into the mug, and fill it up. And then you have a mug of candy. You can put it inside of a treat bag or inside some Cello wrap to make it look a little more professionally wrapped and pretty. But this is just a cool way you can spice up gifting a mug for a holiday. Just fill it with some candy or some money or just some kind of other little tiny gift to kind of bring it all together. Kind of hope my dad isn't watching this video because these are some of these are his Father's Day gifts and he watches my videos. So since we're on the topic of cups at the Dollar Tree, they also have these little beer stein mugs that I thought were super cool for the beer drinkers. They also had these really cute whiskey glasses. I thought these were just so cool. They say whiskey. If my dad drank whiskey, I would so buy this. These are only $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. All right, the last one I'm gonna show you, I did find these really cool buckets in the 4th of July, patriotic, Memorial Day type stuff. So I did pick out a bucket and we're gonna make a cute little barbecue kit. And I just thought this would be super cute to put together as kind of like a gift basket for that barbecue loving dad. My stepdad is a barbecue loving dad, so I thought this would be perfect for him. So I stuffed the bottom of this bucket with some tissue paper. In hindsight, I wished I would have bought the checkered tablecloth from that end cap and used it to stuff the bottom. It would have kind of brought it together a little more, but I didn't think about it while I was in the store. And then I'm just gonna start adding in all of my barbecue items on top. My oven mitts, my towel, all of the little goodies that I got. On a spatula and some tongs to go in this bucket, but I can see that they're missing in this clip, so I must have lost it somewhere. I will find those and put those in. If you're interested in more videos from me, check out my channel. I have tons and tons of videos for you to watch. I would love it if you would subscribe and stick around so you can see the next time I post a new video. Sorry about my daughter. She's just hanging out here with me. Hi. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and I will see you next time.